Here's how I can prep for a last-minute call with one of my most important accounts using GTM Workspace in less than a minute. So straight from the homepage, I can hit the Meeting Prep Quick button and input my account's name. GTM Workspace is going to do all the work for me to pull together email and call transcripts, CRM insights on opportunities or account objects, as well as zoom in for proprietary data around signals so I can understand what's influencing that account from the outside in. As you can see, Workspace pulled together a comprehensive document that pulls together the high-level meeting objective that I need to understand how to approach this conversation and set the correct context. It even provided recent discussion overviews with specific clips and quotes from those conversations. It even then shows an account summary with all of the current open opportunities and the total account values for each, as well as challenges and the values I need to understand which deals are at risk and which I could potentially help move forward. Finally, an overview of the industry trends that are impacting that company from ZoomInfo's proprietary data store is going to help me understand what type of influences are affecting that account, so I can make sure I go in knowing every single perspective that might be impacting the relationship. In summary, GTM Workspace saved me hours of time by pulling together all the different disparate data sources that I had trouble bringing together myself to help me push forward the account and understand their needs the moment I sign into the call. If you want to learn more about Go-to-Market Workspace, visit the ZoomInfo website or reach out to your account representative to learn more.